Hey, what's up everybody? This is Usama here, and in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can you use SEO heat maps in your prospecting reports to make them more solid and more convincing. Now, if you're not already familiar, HighLevel has a prospecting tool that you can use inside your agency account, or you could even leverage this in your sub accounts where you can basically find prospects in any given area using different keywords, adding a location as well as a radius. For example, if you want to look for dentists in Houston, Texas, in this radius right here, it will bring you all the businesses and show you things like their online presence, their reviews and ratings, if they have a website or not, and how likely are you to convert this client given what type of tech stack they have or how optimized their profile is. So what you can do at this point is select a business or multiple businesses and click on add and then click on generate report. And in just a couple of minutes, it will generate an automatic report for you that will tell exactly what they have going on. And you can leverage that information to get to this prospect and offer them to improve that. So we already have a few videos about how you can use the prospecting tool and all its features. So you can find that on our channel. But for this specific video, I'm going to show you an example of the SEO heat map. So as you can see here that I have opened up a prospects account, and I'm going to click on show report right here. And it will just take a few seconds to load. And once it loads up, you will see different types of categories of this report. So we're going to dive into the SEO analysis. And if you scroll down, you'll find the local SEO heat map. Now the default keyword is dentist because that's what we use to pull up these different prospects. And you will see that you have a couple of options like selecting grid size as well as the coverage distance. So what this heat map tells you is where does a prospect rank in different areas on the given keyword. So because we have a 3x3 grid right here, it is giving you 9 points in different areas of the map around the business location, of course, and telling you if somebody is searching for that keyword, where does this prospect rank? And this is pretty good information because you can take it, you can leverage it, and then reach out to the prospect and tell them that you can fix it for them. And of course, get paid for that. So in this case, this is the business location. If we click on that, they're ranking at the top, which is good. But around these areas at 8 different other points, they are not ranking higher. For example, here they are number 10, and then on all the other ones, they do not rank in the top 10. And in a similar way, you can customize this heat map. This is pretty basic, but let's say you also want to check for orthodontist keyword, right? So let's add that and let's increase the grid points and then also increase the coverage. You can go up to 31 miles, but let's say we want to keep in this range. And then I'm going to run local search. This will take a few seconds depending on what parameters you have dialed in. And it will now say heat map generated successfully. It will take a few seconds to load up. So there we are. So now this has a lot of grid points and it is telling you where do they rank. So on the business location, they rank on number 5 on the orthodontist keyword, and on all the remaining areas or points inside this map, they're not ranking in the top 10. So that gives you a lot of opportunity and of course information to leverage this. So you can have this selected. So this way it is a part of the report and you can export this PDF and then share this with this prospect, or you can even share a link that could be sent via email or text, right? So this is how in just a few clicks, you can get pretty good information about the rankings of this business and then try to pitch them services that can help solve these problems. That was about this video. If you have any questions, feel free to explore our help docs or visit our official YouTube channel.